In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on PC. If Marketplace has suddenly vanished or never shows up on your computer, follow along and we'll walk through the most reliable fixes from the quickest checks to deeper troubleshooting so you can get back to buying and selling. Start by trying to access Marketplace directly. Open Facebook on your computer and type facebook.com/marketplace into your browser's address bar. If Marketplace loads, it was likely just hidden in the interface. You can also look for it inside Facebook by clicking the menu icon, the grid of 9 dots, and selecting Marketplace from there. If it's still missing, give your session a clean refresh. Log out of Facebook, close your browser completely, then reopen it and sign back in. This simple reset clears temporary glitches that often block certain tabs from appearing. Next, try a different browser. Open Facebook in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and check Marketplace again. If it shows up in one browser but not another, you've just confirmed the issue lives in your main browser's settings or data. To fix that, clear your cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Files, confirm, and restart the browser. Keep in mind this signs you out of sites, but it also removes corrupt data that can break features like Marketplace. Still not there? Turn off extensions, especially ad blockers and VPNs, then refresh Facebook. Some extensions interfere with page elements or location detection, which can hide Marketplace. Now confirm you're eligible. Marketplace appears only for users who are at least 18, have an active, established account, and have not violated Facebook's policies. If your account is restricted, Marketplace will disappear automatically until the restriction is lifted. Check your location settings next. Make sure you're in a region that supports Marketplace. Turn off any VPNs that might make you appear elsewhere, and update the location on your profile so listings and access match your area. If you suspect an account issue, visit your account status or support inbox inside Facebook, and look for any Marketplace-related notices or violations that could limit access. As a temporary workaround, try opening Marketplace in the Facebook mobile app. Once it loads there, switch back to your PC. Sometimes the tab reappears after the mobile session refreshes your access. Finally, test another Facebook account on the same computer. If Marketplace works there, the problem is with your original account. If it doesn't, it's likely your browser or device